Hello everyone, I would like to quickly explain to you in this video our latest addition to our plugin family, Excel Advanced 3. So Excel Advanced 3 is the latest plugin to our Excel plugins. So we already have 5 operations handling Excel. The first one, of course, is the Excel Basic, very simple operations on Excel, mainly the front-end operations. And we also have plugins, Excel Advanced, Excel Advanced 2, and now Excel Advanced 3 is available. And of course, Excel Macro has been available. So these 4 plugins are Excel operations mostly in the background. So let me explain this sample bot. I built this sample bot to introduce all the functions of Excel Advanced 3 and this bot is going to be of course available from our free sample bot warehouse right here. This is our website and this is the location of the free sample bot warehouse. Now the bot is going to be available here. Okay, so Excel Advanced 3, it has 9 operations. Put value / formula, replace value / formula, convert strings to numerics, and some of the popular functions are already here. VLOOKUP, count, COUNTA, COUNTIF, sum. And finally, we have a fill formula for coming up with a specific formula and maybe filling the entire column with the formula. So these 9 functions are available. Okay, so this bot is going to use all that. By the way, before I start, by clicking of course on this question mark, you can always come to the wiki help, Excel Advanced 3 help. Irene Cho is the author and all these functions are explained with input and output. Okay, now the bot. So this is a simple bot. It's actually starting with timestamp, and timestamp is nothing but obtaining unique character strings to be used as the file name. So I have this folder and I have some statistics. This is the kind of a data. Did the research on houses in Sacramento, California, and it's got the data regarding number of beds, bathrooms, square footage, and really exact location and pricing. So this is some research data. I'm using that as a sample. By the way, this research data has almost 1,000 records. So it's here, and based on this research data, firstly I'm creating a new CSV using my unique character strings, and at the same time I'm actually adding a new column, and the header is price per square foot, and this is a cell, and returning the full file path of the new file to my return value string, using which I'm doing the count and storing the result into a variable. I'm doing formula filling. This go back to this operation. Sorry, this operation actually. So price per square foot, I'm actually using this formula right here, and then filling with using my count, so filling the entire CSV a specific column, which in this case is M column, and we're filling this formula. And then I'm using replace value formula, and then I'm counting a new value here, I have double quotations, right? And you will find out why I have double quotations here in this help document. And I am replacing that value back to the original value. And then this one, I am, okay, I'm replacing 0 with no data because I want to get the right count. And I'm counting count A, just not counting zeros, right? So I'm doing that. Now, I added up all the square footage just to show you the sum function. It doesn't really have any meaning, but just to show you the sum function. And to show you the VLOOKUP function, I also have this set up in the sample bar. Second step is basically reporting all the, I'm printing out all these variables onto a notepad. So I'm going to run this bot. Pam just started. So new file, new CSV just got created, and it's basically being reformatted to get, the statistics I wanted to get. Everything is being done in the background, so you can actually do whatever you want to do before this while this bot is running in the background. Okay, now the notepad opened and all the stats just got printed. The bot has worked successfully. So again, this bot is going to be available from our free sample bot warehouse, and you can use this as a reference how you can use all these functions of Excel Advanced Suite. Okay, thank you very much. Happy automation.